Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration for transferring new leads from Google Lead Form to the Telesign SMS mailing service. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, through the Telesign service you can send SMS messages to leads from Google Lead Form. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the data source system, in this case we select Google Lead Form. Now we select the system where you want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, select Telesign. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Go to Other Data Integration Options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After that, click Save and return to the Save My Leads system. At this stage you need to connect your Telesign account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify customer ID and API keys. To get this data, go to your Telesign personal account. Copy the customer ID and API key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the Save My Leads system. When the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next you see fields for sending SMS messages. In the sender field you must enter the name of the sender, which must first be registered in your Telesign account. In the recipient field you need to assign a variable from Google Lead Form that contains the phone number. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. In the message field, you need to create a message that will be sent as an SMS to each lead from the Google Lead Form. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. Next, select the message type. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage you see an example of data that will be sent via SMS via the Telesign service with each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telesign. After successful sending, go to Telesign and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for each new lead from Google Lead Form to instantly receive an SMS message via the Telesign service, you need to enable auto update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.